Batch entry is most efficient when you can use the keyboard rather than the mouse. Entry templates allow determining only important fields when tabbing through the fields on the screen. To open the company-wide entry template, from the Edit menu, select Entry Templates. This will display a screen for each batch type on separate tabs, and every field and button available to batch entries will be listed on the respective tabs. There are 5 possible settings for each field or button. Selecting none of the settings means that pressing the Tab key will always access that field or button. Skip on New means that only for new batch entries will pressing the Tab key bypass this object and move to the next one on the list. Editing existing batch entries will continue to highlight the object for editing or access, and clicking the field or button is always possible. Skip Always means that for either creating or editing a batch entry, pressing the Tab key will bypass the object, though clicking with the mouse is still possible. Disable means that the field or button is inaccessible. You cannot tab into the field nor click it with the mouse. Field contents can be seen but not changed. And Hide means that the field or button is not even displayed on the screen, and of course cannot be changed or used. Only one of the 4 checkboxes may be selected for any object. Choosing a different checkbox will unselect any other already set. Some options are not possible to select, such as attempting to hide a field required on a batch entry, or disabling the Cancel or Help buttons. And the Reset button will clear all checkbox selections in case you want to start fresh with the setup. If you would like different users to have their own entry template set up, they can be configured in Security Groups, accessed from the File menu and Security Groups. When you edit any group, at the top right area is a button to load the entry template for this group. The first time you edit this, the company settings will be loaded, and additional changes can be made. This allows different settings by security group, even to present a view-only access to batches by setting every field and button as disabled. Thus, when it comes time to create a new batch entry, only those fields marked as not skipped will be visited when you tab through the form. Typically, these will be the fields usually changed from the default presented value. Prevent information from being edited by marking as disabled, and hide information from display if certain employees do not need to see it. Reduce keystrokes for every batch entry by skipping over fields selected in the entry template layout. Find out more about Adagio from the product page on our website. Watch another training video on this Adagio program from the playlist, or subscribe to the Adagio YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.